Welcome to Crash Course channel. We'll talk today about very important tips for IELTS test. Let's go work on the computer and show you some important tips how you pass and get 9 of 9 or at least from 7 to 9 of 9. Let's start. As you can see, listening test in IELTS consists of 4 sections. 4 sections for listening test, as you can see in the screen. Section 1, there is conversation between 2 persons. The section 2, just informal monologue, person giving you short talk about topic in general. Section 3 and 4, more difficult. It's usually like you hear dialogue between 2 to 4 people. That's why a little bit different. So what is the listening score system in IELTS? How it counted? I will tell you. As you agree, the maximum is 9, right? 9 of 9. Band score. If you answer from the 4 section, we have 10 questions for each section, means the total question is 40 question. The 40 questions, if you answer 16 correct of 40, you get 5. And this is usually for immigration. They need 5 of 9. You need to answer 16 of 40, means less than 50%. But if you answer 23 of 40, you will get 6, as you can see. If you answer correctly 30 of 40, you get 7. If you answer 35 of 40, you get 8. More than that, you will get 9, of course, until 40. There is a strategy answer IELTS listening exam. Analyze the question, means you have to be careful from like instructions. Read it carefully. Read the paragraph. Read the question. Sometimes, by the way, they tell you, as you can see here, first, you have some time to look at question 1 to 7. Don't look at 1 to 8 or 1 to 9. No. This is specific time for just question 1 to 7. Okay? Just follow the instructions because every second counted. Try to predict the answer. What it means, try to predict. If it's, for example, I say I and space to eat. This means we need verb. I want to eat. For example, here, the following question, the use of the space allowed information to be passed around the world. Means here the verb exists, means this 34, the mapping word is noun. The use of, for example, the media allowed information to be passed around the world. You have to be careful and try to predict. It's verb or noun, okay? Listen for the keyword. Sometimes it gives you specific number. I booked in hotel 2 bedroom. 2 is important. The type of the bedroom, type of the bed in the bedroom, in the hotel, king size, queen. This very unique information, keyword to answer the IELTS. Form completion. Another type of questions, form completion. Give you form. For example, this event during Kenton Festival. There is form. In town center, starting at this. Give you the time. There is important number. You have to focus when you listen to take this kind of stuff. The number, the address, anything unique you have to know. The date. Be careful when you listen. Multiple choice. Multiple choice very important. Some people write words. The answer, how the public. No. Save your time. Multiple choice, you just have to answer A, B, C. Don't write words, because when you write word, you spend more time and you lose time from answering the rest of the questions. Don't think if you put the answer complete word, it give you more reward or more points. No. Just focus in just letter. Remember, just put letters in the answer sheet. Short questions. Short answer question, sometimes it's yes, yes I do. Don't put more. No, I don't. Just be careful and listen to the instruction. Sentence completion, you have to be good in grammar and to know which word and which verb you have to put it, and listen to the instructions, because sometimes they give you specific. Don't write more than 10 words in this sentence or this paragraph. Just follow exactly the instruction. Notes, summary, flowchart, table completion. You will find something like that. This is the country, location, island, and general fitness. Other comments: Greece, control, Morocco, mountain biking. You will find this kind. You have, when you listen for each country, there is something famous, main focus for this fitness, main focus of this about mountain biking, whatever. When they give you separate information about different countries, different persons, focus what each person or each country is famous for something. Labeling the diagram. One of the question in IELTS, they give you like this diagram, like map. You can see here station, Growley road, this road, public, garden. The question is, sometimes they say the museum, for example, south of this or north of this. You have to listen carefully. Where the location. At the end, you put the letter. Where is the museum? You put the letter according to what you have listened to. Okay? Be careful and focus. When it say the museum, you have to be careful. Where exactly? In this street, hill road, or close to the bank? And you have here the direction. Follow this direction, north, east, west, south, because he will tell you where exactly this is located according to your map, according what exists in this map. Okay? Matching. One more of the question. Matching will ask you to match some information based on what you hear. Sometimes word close to other word, just matching. Okay? I go, I leave, whatever close to, match the word. What is the closest meaning? Okay? This is close to this meaning or not. Words almost similar to each other. Just be careful when you match the word. Practice listening to different accents. Okay, like listen to different topics. That's why I give you in some videos real and true exam, IELTS exam from British, from American, from Canadian. That's why practice different accent, because you don't know who your examiner could be. British, could be American, could be Canadian. Okay, do many tests, sample tests as much, like answer a lot of tests, practice, repeat. Okay, and practice using answer sheet. Write it down, and write down when you write the answer, just write in multiple choice just the letter. Read instruction carefully. You have to read the instruction very carefully because they guide you. For example, look at question 1 to 4, just 1 to 4 in this specific moment. Okay? Mind, spelling, and grammar. You have to be careful when you write something. They are different in the museum. You need to write plural. If they said there are different things, for example, it must be plural. If one of the answer you put just singular here, it will not work. As you can see, plural, because there is are. If there is, you put just one thing. If there is are, plural. Okay? Be aware of its changes. For example, let's meet at 1 p.m. tomorrow, and another answer, okay, that's fine. Oh, sorry, I am busy at 1 p.m. Maybe we'll meet at 2:30. Don't relax when you hear the first variant. Listen to the end, okay? Because what do you want to I want to teach you here. Sometimes they say 1 p.m. in the beginning, and you think this will be the answer, but wait. He said at the end, oh sorry, I am busy at 1 p.m. Maybe we will meet at 2:30. Means the right answer, when they will meet at 2:30, not 1 p.m. Okay? Practice listening to group of numbers. Don't try to understand everything. Keep calm and concentrate. Concentration and focus is very important and crucial. Okay? To get 9 or 8 or 7. I know, maybe you need 5 of 9 to immigrate, but try to do your best to succeed. Please subscribe in my channel if you didn't subscribe, and join my family, and wait for me for next episode. Thank you. Have a great day.
Do not forget to subscribe.